Rising up, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, rising up. It's a phrase you might have heard in songs, movies, or even in everyday conversations. Let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it in your own English communications. At its core, rising up refers to the action of moving upwards or increasing in height or position. It can be used both literally and figuratively, which is common in the English language. Literally, it might refer to someone standing up after sitting or lying down, or an object being lifted. The important part here is the movement in an upward direction. Figuratively, rising up can take on a range of meanings. It's often used to describe overcoming obstacles, achieving against the odds, or making a comeback in a challenging situation. For example, rising up from poverty doesn't mean moving physically upwards, but improving one's socioeconomic status. The phrase has become iconic, especially in popular culture. It's used in songs and movies to invoke feelings of inspiration and motivation. When you hear a character or a lyric talking about rising up, it's usually in the context of facing and overcoming adversity. Now let's put rising up into practice. You can say, "She's rising up to the challenge," meaning she's meeting the challenge head-on. Or, "The community is rising up to support the cause," showing collective action to lift the status or success of a cause. And that's a wrap on rising up. Remember, this phrase is all about upward movement, whether it's literal or metaphorical. Use it to describe improvement, overcoming challenges, or even inspirational actions. I hope this video helps you rise up in your English language learning. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.